You are welcome again in our grade 3 English lessons. And last time we discussed about preposition that used to express location. We discussed about 5 prepositions like inside, outside, on, under, and in. And we also saw how to use this preposition in expressing location, in showing where things are or where thing is. And on top of that, I gave you an assignment of 5 questions. So, as usual, get your book and pencil. We're going to do correction and you will mark for yourself. Look here. The heading was telling you to use the correct preposition. Use the correct preposition to answer the questions below. And here, we had a big class here. And here inside we had a girl. And there was a boy called Ali standing here. This one here is Ali. Then question number 1 was asking, where is the girl? And because the girl here is in this class, inside the class, you are going to answer it like this. The girl is inside the class. The girl is inside the class. This was the correct answer. Then question number 2 was asking, where is Ali? And we can all see here, Ali is here standing out of this class. Then we are going to answer it like this. Ali is outside the class. So this inside and outside are the preposition used to show location. Then question number 3. Question number 3, we had a bucket here. And in this bucket, there is some water. And you are told to answer this question here. There is some water. You have to fill in the gaps. Dash, dash. What you are supposed to do was to fill in the gate here. There is some water, dash, dash, bucket. Because we have water here in this bucket, we are going to say there is some water in the bucket. So the correct answer here was supposed to be in. In question number 4 and 5, we had a chair here. Then here we had a pen. And here we had a cat. And then question number 4 was asking, Where is the pen? Of which we are supposed to answer like this. The pen is on the chair. The pen is on the chair. Then question number 5 was asking, where is the cat? And we can all see that the cat is here down, so we are going to answer it like this. The cat is under the chair. So this was what was supposed to be done. This was what was supposed to be done in answering these questions concerning about expressing locations of things. We talked about inside, outside, on, in, and under as our preposition for expressing location. But today, we are going also to see 5 prepositions, which also express location. We are going to see the preposition that is called between, the preposition which is called near, in front of, behind, and over. 5 prepositions. So today, in expressing locations, we are going to use 5 prepositions, as I've told you. We are going to use preposition which is so-called between, near, in front of, behind, and over. So in discussing this preposition, we're talking about between. That means it is something which is at the middle of 2 things. There is a thing here and there is a thing here, and if something is at the middle, we say that thing is between a certain things. And near, when talking about near, we're talking about things which are beside each other. And in front of, talking about things which is in front of you, and behind, which is behind you. And over, we're talking about something which do not touch a certain thing, but it's passing over a certain something. So, look at this example here, you're going to understand very well. Here there is a small house, and here there is a small house. At the middle of these houses here, we have a tree. Then, here we have a house, here we have a house, and at the middle of these houses here, we have a tree. Then, if you are asked, where is the tree? You will say, the tree is between the houses. So, if you are asked about the position of a tree, because tree is here at the middle of this one house and the other house, we are saying the tree is between the houses. We use the preposition between to answer a question like this one here. And also another example, can be having a big girl here, and here there is a small baby. This girl is here and the baby is here, and you are asked, where is the girl or where is the baby? Because they are beside each other, we say the girl is near the baby or the baby is near the girl. So here we'll say the baby is near the gap. They are standing beside each other, so they are nearby. Another example, check again on this picture here. Let's say this one here is our chair, and here is our flag. Then you need to tell the position of each picture here. We have a flag here, and we have a chair here. If you are to tell the position of a flag, you will say a flag is in front of a chair, because the chair is behind and the flag is in front, so we say the flag is in front of the chair. And if you're asked about the chair, and because the flag is here in front, then we will say the chair is behind the flag. Like this, you say the flag is in front of a chair. This word in front of, it is the preposition that shows location or position of the thing. And talking about the chair, we shall say the chair is behind the flag. So, as you can see these two pictures here, the flag is in front of the chair, while the chair is behind the flag. You can take an example of myself. I'm here standing in front of you. So, teacher is standing in front of the pupils. So, if you are to tell the position of where I'm standing, you will say, teacher is standing in front of the pupils. You can also open your door and stand behind that door. Then, if you are to ask, where is that person, you will say, is behind the door. Things like that. We have also another example here. A picture here that will make us understand properly. We have a tree, and here up we have a bed. We have a tree here down, and here we have a bed. So, if you are to ask the position of a bed, and this bed here, mind you, it has not touched the tree. It is up above the tree. It has not touched the tree. So you will say the bed is flying over the tree. The bird is flying over the tree. There is quite a difference of the word over and on, because anything that is flying, it is flying over. But when talking about on you use it when that thing is directly touching at the thing that you are talking about. For example, the example that I gave you of the table here, and here we put a ball. This ball here is on the table. It has touched the table here directly, so it is on. You can't use the word over. And as you can see this bed here, our bed here is flying over the tree, but this bed here has not touched the tree. So the correct preposition here to use in expressing the position of the bed, you will say over. So the bed is flying over the tree and not on. So these 5 prepositions of ours that we have learned today, I want you to read very well, to look at the example very well, and you understand them, and you'll be able to answer the questions that I'm going to give you now. Use the correct preposition to fill in the gaps. Use the correct preposition to fill in the gaps. Question number 1. John is standing dash dash the door. Here we have the word near, we have the word over. So please choose the correct preposition to fill in the gap. Question number 2. Asha is dash dash the chairs. Here we have the word on, we have the word between. So choose the correct preposition to fill in the gap here. Question number 3. We have Juma is hiding dash dash the door. Here we have the word behind. Here we have the word inside. So choose the correct answer here to fill in the gap. Question number 4 here. We have the helicopter is flying dash dash the house. Here we have the word on, we have the word over. Then last question, the 5th one, saying the teacher is standing dash dash the class. Here we have the word in front of, and here we have the word in. So please read carefully these questions, understand them properly, and choose the correct preposition to answer in filling the gaps that are provided. So see you next time. Bye.